Hello there, in this video I'll discuss Maximise conversion, smart bidding and target CPA. So first of all, we will know what is smart bidding. Smart bidding is totally controlled by Google. So I already here my Google Ads account and I open my campaign and click edit settings. So in this campaign I select website traffic and now we will select sales. We use maximize conversion bidding for sales or lead. Okay, then saves and click biddings and change bid strategy and click here and maximize conversion biddings, select. Okay, so when we select this maximize conversion bidding, then Google try to increase our sales. And here are another option, set a target cost per action. Okay, I click here and here Google says target CPA. CPA means cost per acquisition, that means cost per sale. Okay, suppose our CPA is $5 per sale. Okay, then save. But I cannot use target CPA firstly because Google says if you have 50 to 15 conversion last 30 days, then we will select this target CPA biddings. Okay, then save. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or any problem, please message me or comment below.